Welcome back to our basic science class. I believe that everyone has learned everything the teacher taught in the last class, right? Today we are going to learn about one of the major concepts in this lesson. Let's see what is that. Okay. We have already seen in the previous class that plants are the major source of food for us. But plants cannot eat like humans and animals. Then, where do they get their energy from? It is through the process called photosynthesis. Now we are going to learn about photosynthesis in detail. Do you know how plants make their own food? Is it like this? No. Plants prepare their own food by a process called photosynthesis. What is the meaning of this word? Let's check. It is a combination of two Greek words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. What are the things they need for it? Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide from air, water from soil to prepare their own food. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of a plant. So, leaves are the kitchen of a plant. Leaves have tiny pores called stomata, through which carbon dioxide enters the plant. Plant cells contains tiny structures called chloroplast that contains green color pigment called chlorophyll. This pigment helps the plant to trap sunlight. Then, using carbon dioxide from air, water from the soil, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants will prepare their own food called glucose. Oxygen is also formed along with this and it is released during daytime. Oxygen leaves the plant through the stomata. The prepared food, that is glucose, gives nourishment to the plant. The extra glucose produced is stored by the plant in the form of starch for later use. So, we have now learned that photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. I hope you all enjoyed and understood this animated video of photosynthesis, isn't it? Yes, there is one more point balance in this portion. That is, plants prepare their own food, so they are called autotrophs. There is a question in your textbook that how do plants get carbon dioxide? You have already seen in the video that plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through tiny pores present in the leaves. These pores are called stomata. They also release excess water from plants to the atmosphere. Got it? Yes. Let's see the stomata through the microscope and study that in detail, okay? Most of the transpiration takes place through the stomata in leaves. Stomata are microscopic parts consisting of two kidney-shaped guard cells. In stomatal transpiration, water vapors move through the stomata of leaf. Now you know how do the plants get carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc., right? Okay children, let's remember the major concepts what we have learned today as photosynthesis, chlorophyll, autotrophs and stomata. My dear children, don't copy these points in your notebook. I will send today's notes after this class. Copy that only in your notebook neatly, okay? Thank you.